আবার একটি নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে এসেছি। এই ভিডিওটিতে আমি ফ্লাড ইন আসামে এসএটি আলোচনা করব। এই এসএটি খুবই ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট, সেবা না হলে এইচএসেও। চলো শুরু করি। ইন্ট্রোডাকশন প্রথমে। ফ্লাড ইজ এ ন্যাচারাল ক্যালামিটি. ইট হ্যাজ বিন occurring since time immemorial. Many accidents civilization were destroyed and swept away by flood. Why flood occurs? Flood occurs primarily during the monsoon season. Assam is a land of hills and dales, your serpentine rivers, and the heavy rains caused by the monsoon clouds may be called the main causes of flood in Assam. During summer season, the ice on the Himalayas melts and supplies extra water to the rivers. As a result, the mighty Brahmaputra and Barak and their tributaries run over, loaded with the supplies water. Besides, inadequate and defective embankments and fury to flood in Assam. Its effect. Flood is one of the most destructive forces of nature. It destroys houses, orchards, and or- orchards and cornfields. It sweeps away everything in the entire locality. In submerge fishes and damage standing crops and kills livestock. It brings untold misery to the people. It damages roads, bridges, and railway lines, causing disruption to the transport system. Relief measure. Floods affected people are given relief both by the government and voluntary organizations, but such relief is generally inadequate. inadequate. Another attempt to control it. The government has erected embankment on both sides of river to control the flood, but they are not built scientifically. As a result, breaches occur and flood has become regular. Conclusion: Assam is Assam in flood in Assam may be controlled by adopting scientific methods. Assam may smile once the rivers are controlled. So আজকের জন্য এটুকুই, বাই।